Do you know what? I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder and I think my top's a little bit creased. Hello, welcome back or welcome to another video. So today I have a sort of get ready with me makeup look which is perfect for spring. Before I get into the makeup look, if you're not already subscribed and you're watching this, then please subscribe to my channel. As I'm recording this, I am about 10 away from 2,500, so please, it would make my day if you could subscribe and join the family. Where do I begin? I haven't done a makeup look in quite a while. However, I'm going to do like a spring glowy, really easy, natural, because who wants to wear a load of makeup when the weather is so nice like this? So yeah, let's just keep it nice and simple. I'm going to start off by priming my face using the NYX High-Gloss Primer, and I've washed my hands, so I'm just going to use my hands for this. And I'm obsessed with this primer. It's like really like metallic, and a couple of days ago I faked tan my face, hence like a few really dark brown patches on my face. If anyone fake tans their face and has like dry patches or spots, then they're gonna know that they're gonna have like brown dots all over. But I love this primer because it makes you so glowy. So for foundation, I'm just going to use a BB cream. Now obviously if you do want a better coverage, then definitely use a foundation, feel free. I do like a BB cream, especially in this weather, so you're not sweating off makeup left, right and centre, do you know what I mean? Then for concealer under my eyes, I'm just going to use the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age the Eraser Eye, and I haven't used this in quite a while. I like this because once again it's nice and light while giving you quite a nice coverage, and this concealer is really brightening as well. Not using too much. I want to keep it like nice and simple, so literally anyone can do this. A little bit on my chin, and like I have a little spot here, and pop a bit there. But yeah, what's everyone been up to? I'm still once again not up to much. I feel like I do a video and I'm literally still not doing anything. I'm just going to set that concealer with a tiny bit of the Maybelline Infallible powder just to keep it in place, and obviously when you're sweating helps to keep it nice and matte under your eyes. Not too much because I'm trying not to cake it on, but just a little bit, and then on my chin. Okay, enough. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I like this bronzer because one, it smells like chocolate. It smells so nice. And two, it's so nice to blend out, and it really does like look like you're sun-kissed. And like, you know, you've been to like Hawaii or something. And I think for the first time ever doing this video, my hands actually match my skin. I'm just going to pop a little bit of that bronzer just down the sides of my nose. I don't know, I think putting bronzer on your nose like really helps pull the whole look together. Like I don't feel complete without a little bit of bronzer down the side of my nose and on the bottom. I'm a little bit blurred when I look in the viewfinder because I can't, like I said, I ain't got my contact lenses in. But from afar, like I'm looking bronzed. I could have been to Spain and back. For highlighter, I feel like I use this one all the time, but it is my favourite. It is the Ofa Mini Highlighter in Rodeo Drive, and just look at it. It is so nice. And for this look, like I said, I'm trying to keep it nice and simple and glowy, and this highlighter is the one for that. It doesn't like bring up texture or anything, not like I have a lot of texture, but it looks like, you know, when you're like glowing, it's like natural like sweat, do you know what I mean? Probably don't know what I mean. For this look, I'm gonna put a little bit of blush. Like I said, I'm going for that sun-kissed kind of vibe. So here I have the Barry M Hide and Chic palette. No, Hide and Chic palette, apologies. And I'm just gonna mix those two because obviously that's a little bit too red and that's a little bit too pink. But they are very pigmented, so I'm just gonna tap it ever so slightly. And I got this in my Cherries haul. Not like expecting much, mainly I got it for the bronzer, and I love it. I'm just gonna smile. Bit more. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Now, I don't have much planned because like I said, I'm trying to keep it nice and easy. I'm just gonna use, honestly I can never find stuff. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper. I feel like I use this all the time. I'm like molting. I feel like everyone's now like doing, you know, like doing that trend where they take off the end bits of their eyebrows and extend it this way. I really want to do it, but I feel like it just wouldn't suit my face at all. Then for eyeshadow, I'm just going to use a blending brush, and I'm going to use, I use this palette all the time, I know, I'm sorry. It's the BH26 colour eyeshadow palette, and it's got like blushes in it as well. I'm just going to use this orange shade here. I'm just going to pop that in my crease and just blend that out. I'm not going to be doing like too much because I'm trying to like reiterate to myself that I'm trying to keep it simple. I don't really know what colours suit my eye shape or eye colour very well, because I don't know if you can tell, but if I look dead straight at the camera, I mean, you probably won't even be able to tell now, I'll put a bit of eyeshadow on, but this eyelid, wait, which eyelid is it? But this eyelid is actually bigger than this eyelid. Now, fun fact, when I went to America with my family, when we went to Florida, I actually got an eye infection, and I was like 10, and I was like crying to my mum, my eye hurts, my eye hurts. And we was at the restaurant and she's like, stop making a fuss, stop making a fuss. So we're like eating out at dinner, stop making a fuss. And then I woke up the next morning and my eye was like out here, it was half closed, it was like, and there was like all like yellow pus everywhere. It was just, you know, just weren't a fun time. And then they had to pay like $200 so I could go to like the doctors and get my eye looked at. And this was like the first day of our trip as well. And I show up and I've got an eye infection. In my last video when I did like the vlog, that I had these half lashes, and I'm actually going to use these, but these are just half lashes, and I got these from eBay, and they was like a couple of pounds. I'm not even gonna lie, there was a couple of pounds. I was like, do you know what, let me just test out half lashes just for like those days when I don't want to wear big eyelashes on my eyes, because I feel like they weigh me down a little bit. So when I saw on eBay they actually had some half lashes, I was like, do you know what, I'm gonna give them a go. And for a couple of pounds, for 10, if you know, for the crap, it don't really matter. Okay, so they're the half lashes on without any mascara, and you're probably thinking, Charlotte, what the hell? But trust the process. And I'm just going to use some mascara to, like I said, blend that in, and that is the NARS Climax Mascara. This is just a little sample one that I have received. I'm just going to put a little bit on the bottom. I'm just going to blend in the top. Also, while I'm doing this, I wanted to say a quick hello to Phoebe. Phoebe is a family friend, and I know she watches all my videos and she loves my makeup videos, so hi Phoebe, I know you're watching. For lips, I am gonna line my lips with the Honey Cosmetics lip liner, and this is in the shade Baby Gal, I think this is in the shade Baby Gal, I'm not too sure. Also, TMI, I have a ulcer on my lip, so I'm really trying to avoid that area. And because I'm a bit OCD, I'm going to clean this afterwards. And then I'm just going to use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London. Once again, I'm not going to touch that ulcer. I've got some setting spray. The NYX Radiant Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. I don't really use setting spray, but because I want to be like glowy, we're going to give it a go. Come on then. Always makes me jump. Like, I know it's coming and I brace myself. Oh yeah. So that is the finished makeup look. Really easy, simple and lightweight for spring / summer. If you enjoyed this video, or I don't know, like me, please give me a huge thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section, because I always reply to comments. I love interacting with you guys and talking to everyone, so leave me a nice comment. If you would like, then follow my Instagram, and I have TikTok and Twitter but don't really use them that much, but feel free to give me a follow. They will be in the description. Please subscribe. Like I said, I'm almost at 2,500, so please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit the bell to get notifications every time I upload, and I will see you Friday for what I hope to be a very exciting video. Bye!